What if I told you that Equatorial Guinea is more than just a tropical destination, and that you can obtain an Equatorial Guinea E-Visa in just 3 days for €50 from the comfort of your home? Therefore, if you are interested in visiting, here are 3 simple steps to make it happen. Let's begin. Step 1. Provide the application details and upload the necessary documents. You can submit your application through the VFS website. The link to the website has been attached to this video's description. Please check it out. The first step of the e-visa application is to register on the website. Provide all the requested information and upload the necessary documents. If you are a minor, it may be necessary to upload additional documents. In this step, you will have to select the country as per the passport that you hold. If you have dual nationality, you must select the nationality of the passport that you will use for your travel. The passport that you use for the application must be the same as the one you will use while traveling to Equatorial Guinea. If different, then your e-visa will be invalid. Also, your passport should be valid for at least 30 days from your date of arrival to Equatorial Guinea. The passport should have at least 1 blank page for stamping by the immigration officer. The only travel document that can be used in the e-visa application process is your regular passport. Other travel documents are not acceptable for e-visa application. Each traveler must obtain an individual e-visa, including infants and children. The e-visa applications can be created either for a single individual or for a family, minimum of 2 and maximum of 10 applicants. Step 2. Pay the fee online. After providing all the required information, you will have to make the fee payment through the payment gateway. You can pay the fees using a MasterCard, Visa card, Union Pay, credit or debit card, WeChat or Alipay. It is not necessary for the card to be under your name, but make sure that your card has 3D secure system and is enabled to make international transactions. At this point, before we talk about the last step, it has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. Now, back to the video. Step 3. Download the e-visa receipt. If the fee payment is successful and your application is processed, you will receive a .pdf file with the decision. You could download and print your e-visa for your reference. We also recommend that you keep a copy of the .pdf file in your mobile phone. To start your application, follow this link: online.vfsevisa.com/r/en/login. To discover all the document requirements for each visa type, follow this link: Equatorial Guinea-evisa.com/information. You can also find it attached in the video description section. We hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. Please share this video.